Hello, hello, my happy crafters. How is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having an awesome, amazing day. I know that I am. So you guys, today I am here to share with you some happy mail that I got from a non-crafty friend. And she lives in another part of New York, so she's got access to like other Dollar Trees and stuff like that. And so I know you guys probably already saw my Dollar Tree haul. I just received this today. It's Monday, April the 5th. And that haul, I purchased those items in March. So I have no idea what's in this box, but it's heavy. And she sent it in this large flat weight box. And so I'm just going to start pulling stuff out. This is the first time that I'm seeing these things. So here we go. So thank you so much, Kitty. Oh, you girl, you are so amazing. And you didn't have to, but I appreciate it. I don't even know if you're going to watch this video, but if you do, sending so much love and so many kisses your way. Okay, so so I got little jars, these little mini glass containers. She sent me some pop dot tape, which is like foam tape. I'm not sure if it's pop dot. They look like they don't have dots on them, but it's called pop dot tape, I guess. We also have another set of these mini glass containers. This is super cool because I can fill them up with like glitter mixes and stuff like that. So that's super awesome. Oh, she sent me some of these chalk writers in white and in purple. So cool. Another stencil brush. You can never have too many of those. They're just so versatile. You can use them on so many things. Double-sided tape. You can never have too much of that. Another one of these little containers. These would be super cute to make like charms with them as well. So like you can add stuff in them and make like little jar shakers. Super cute. We have some chalkboard tags. So this is so cool. This is a lot of stuff that I didn't even pick up when I went to Dollar Tree. So awesome. These were on my list. Now I can go ahead and scratch them off. So we have some more double-sided tape. So lots of tape. So thank you so much for that. Some chalk markers, some chalk tags. She sent me some canvases. So we got that one. And we also have this. Oh, they have them in square now. These are nice. I've never seen the square ones. I'm going to have to check out mine when I go in there again. It's an 8x8. Super cool. Look, little tray organizers. Oh, this is so cool to add like little metal embellishments or to like add other things. Like I might transfer some of these into this or maybe transfer something else and put it in here. Super awesome. Oh, she got me a craft knife set. Super cool. You can never have too many of those blades. Another chalk writer in gold. I didn't really see these. Maybe I didn't look hard enough, but then again, when I went into my Dollar Tree, I went in like rushing in and rushing out because I had other things to do as well. So I was trying to like, do it as quickly as possible. She also sent me this regular size one, which is an 8x10. So we got the 8x10 and then the, so I can set them side by side so you guys can see. So we have the 8x10 and the 8x8. And then she's also gifted me the small 5x7. Some cork board, some adhesive cork. We have chalkboard tags in rounds. Oh, we also have this one. It's an 8x10. This is perfect to make like shadow frames, like shadow box canvases. So many ideas flowing through my head right now. Oh boy, we got some big ones. Oh, I didn't know the Dollar Tree carried these big ones. 11x14, you guys? What? 11x14 for $1? Like, I cannot. I'm going back to Dollar Tree. I'm running back to Dollar Tree to get some of these. Hopefully mine has it. Like, I can even fit it in the frame. I'm going to put these down because they don't really fit in there too well. And, Blick. Oh, she went to Blick? Oh, my goodness. Kitty, kitty, kitty. And that's what I call her. That's not her actual name, but that's my cute little nickname for her. Oh my God, what did she get from me? Huh? Oh my goodness. What is this? Mosaic tiles. Oh, these are so cool. I could already see me inlaying these on some resin and making like a mosaic window. Like, oh my goodness. How cool is that? And then we have some oil board. These look like reusable stencils. So these are like reusable stencils. And I think it's just alphas. So this is like pre-treated paper. They're all together. They all come like in this accordion. This is like pre-treated paper, I guess, so that when you put your web mediums over, it doesn't destroy the stencil so quickly. So this is super cool. Thank you, thank you. And I'm gonna have, you know, my walls and stuff to decorate and stuff. So I'll be able to use like really large poster boards and stuff like that and create some awesome signs for my wall. Ooh, what's this? Oh, these are like clay sculpting tools. Oh, how cool. So we have all of these little, they have like little edges on them. Ooh, for sculpting, yes. Little knives. Look how cool. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to unpack my supplies in their new designated places. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I got that phone in the dark because everything's in boxes. So you don't know what's going on or when it's taking place. And this is an erasing shield. Oh, so you basically put this stencil down. So like, let's say I'm doing a sketch and I want to like, you know, do the eyes or whatever. Maybe I want a little bit too heavy in a certain spot. I can use these little bits and pieces that are on the stencil to erase over them so that I can create like, you know, little accents or erase like certain areas. So that's super cool. Very, very cool. And I think, oh, nope, there's more. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is called Blank Ink Creative International Paper. So these are decorative papers. I don't think this is Dollar Tree. And if it is, I've never seen this before. Look how cool. And it's pre-treated paper, so you can see the gold foiling that it has. Or the gold embossing, I should say, not foiling. The gold embossing, we've got butterflies and pretty patterns. And it says 10 assorted papers. But I'm assuming that they give you the 5 small and then the 5 small is also the same. So I'm not going to take it out of the pack just in case it's super fragile. I'm going to leave it in there. And also she sent me a stencil and they're getting large with their sizes now, you guys. This one says choose joy. Today I choose joy. And yes, I do every single day. It says live, laugh, love as well every single day. And it says be sweet and wear a crown. Aww. And this one says be wild. So you guys can see that there. I didn't see these. You see? She's got other stuff in her Dollar Tree that I didn't see in mine. And she also picked up more. Another one of these stencil brushes. Some of these pokey tools, which always come in handy to lift up that tape. And then she got me this one as a metallic marker in blue. And that is it for my crafty surprise. Oh my goodness, Kitty. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, Kitty. And thank you guys so much for watching. Again, she doesn't have a channel for me to list. This is, you know, my own personal friends. And I want to thank you so much. I will let her know that I made a video, but I'm not sure if she's going to come and watch it because she's not really a YouTuber in the sense like how we are. But again, she still supports me because she's just amazing. And I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for everything, my friends. You are so awesome and so thoughtful. And wow. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to get my crafting on, you guys. I've been doing all of these videos pre-recorded, so if you've been watching these are not going to come out on the days that I've been recording them, because again, I'm super busy and I've just been trying to take the time whenever I can find the time to like make these videos real quick, and I'm recording them and putting them up. And hopefully you guys have been enjoying the videos that I've been creating. Let me know if putting them like back to back is too much. If you guys would like for me to like skip a day in between, let me know, because I can schedule it, you know, for one every other day. But I'm trying to basically, you know, stay on top of my crafting as well as stay on top of everything else I've got going on over here. But yes, you guys, I want to thank you all so much for stopping by and watching. I'm so excited. Can't wait to share with you guys once I'm up and live and running officially, once everything is done on my side. I'm super excited to share that with you all. And share my new room tour and everything once it's all done. That should be happening soon. So you guys, thank you all so much. I will catch you guys on the next one. Stay blessed till then. Expect several hauls that I'm going to put up and DIY videos that I'm thinking already and trying to get together, like so much different stuff. So I look forward to sharing that with you all, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.